Hello everyone friends. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can disable voice control on iPhone. Friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also before watching make sure to put your likes and write comments. Well, let us get down to the topic. And I will say that if you have voice control on your iPhone, you can disable it very easily and quickly. To do that, please open up Settings. Now scroll down a little bit. Go to this section right here. Next, you'll need to scroll through the pause menu and find Voice Control. And see here, if you have voice control enabled, then you'll need to click on this button at the top to disable voice control. Next, please go back out. Go to the side button section. And here you can also disable, for example, your voice control through the side button. This is when you press and hold on the off button, which is on the right side of the phone. To disable it, just tap on the third option to turn it off. After that, when you hold your finger on the off button, that way you will no longer call Siri and disable voice control. This is how you can easily disable voice control on your iPhone. Please don't forget to put your likes, write comments, and also subscribe to our channel. See you soon, friends.